J, smart school, come and learn today. Fun with songs and stories. Let's learn and play. Splash, splash, water play. It's our bath time every day. Bubbles up and bubbles high. Wash our little airplane toy. Rub-a-dub and scrub-a-dub. In the tub we laugh and jump. Tiny airplane in our hand. Flying high, then wash it clean. Wash the wings and wash the tail. Make it shiny, make it well. Spin it round and splash around. Water drops go up and down. Hee hee ha ha, what a day. We both dance and jump and play. Clap our hands and stomp our feet. Bubble dance is so much fun. Now it's time to wash our hair. Pour the water everywhere. Rub the shampoo nice and slow. Bubbles falling head to toe. Close our eyes and rinse it clean. Shiny hair and fresh we feel. Arms and legs and little toes. Wash them all from head to toe. Splash, splash, water everywhere. Little drops fly in the air. Airplane clean and shiny.